Hyundai has been serving a sizable segment with a variety of models in its lineup. Their largest flagship SUV, the Hyundai Palisade, is getting a facelift for the 2023 model year. The Palisade will come in a variety of trim levels, giving customers a choice between an entry-level model and the incredibly opulent and fully loaded calligraphy model. A complete redesign of the Pathfinder last year led to a number of improvements, chief among which are a more comfortable ride and more contemporary technological features. Because of its size, it is also ideal for families. Adults can sit comfortably in the third row. Most midsize three-row SUVs lack that functionality. Let's assume that you want to buy one of these two models, and after 5 years of use, you want to sell this SUV for the maximum benefit. Which model has a better resale value? The 2023 Palisade or Pathfinder? Let's find out. It's the Lazy Rusher YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. To find out which SUV has a better resale value, let's do some research. For this job, we will use the Car Edge website form. Let's start with the 2023 Hyundai Palisade. Select car make, Hyundai. Model Palisade. The current vehicle age is set to new. The current estimated MSRP for the Palisade is $37,150. Own it for 5 years. Annual miles set to 12,000. Calculate. As you can see, the Hyundai Palisade will lose 33% of its value over the course of 5 years and have a resale value of $24,824. The total cost of depreciation for a vehicle you intend to keep for 5 years would be $12,326. It's not a great outcome. Let's compare these numbers with the Pathfinders. We go back to the comparison tool of the Car Edge website. Select car make, Nissan. Model Pathfinder. The current vehicle age is set to new. The current estimated MSRP for the Pathfinder S four-wheel drive trim is $36,900. Own it for 5 years. Annual miles is 12,000. Calculate. After 5 years, a Nissan Pathfinder will lose 31% of its value and will now be worth $25,332. Your total cost of depreciation for this vehicle, if you intend to keep it for 5 years, would be $11,568. According to the Car Edge depreciation calculator, both these SUVs will lose their resale value quickly. A Hyundai Palisade will depreciate by 33% after 5 years, and Nissan Pathfinder will decline by 31%. So we can make a conclusion that both these car models are almost equal in terms of resale value. But what if we compare the overall cost of owning these two SUVs? 5-year ownership costs. It takes a lot of money to buy a car. The ongoing expenses could be significant if you are not careful. Many factors contribute to the high cost of owning and operating vehicles. Depreciation, insurance, upkeep and maintenance, financing costs, and fuel make up the bulk of the costs. The higher the sum of these characteristics, the more difficult it will be for you to maintain your car for 5 years. 5-year ownership cost of a brand new Hyundai Palisade is $43,014, and owning a Pathfinder will cost you $38,345. So, if you like both of these models and want to make an intelligent investment, I'd better buy a 2023 Nissan Pathfinder. Both these car models are almost equal in terms of resale value, but Pathfinder's overall ownership costs will be much more acceptable for your budget.